Good afternoon. Today I'd like to share my final Spring Boot project, which is a park service application using Spring Boot. I have my main application class, which starts up the Spring Boot. I have my controller class, which has all of our get mapping methods. It's at request mapping, park service. And then I have my put method and my post and my get and delete. All of those methods are in there, retrieve all of the camps, etc. In my controller model, I have my camper data. And I have my park ranger data. These are my three entities. And I have my parks or my park service data. And then I have my DAOs. I have my camper DAO. And my park ranger DAO. And my park service DAO. And all of my DAOs extend the JPA repository with their ID and long. And then I have, of course, my park service entities, which are the camper with its many relationship to park service, and park ranger with its many-to-one relationship with park service, and park service with its many-to-many relationship with camper and its one-to-many relationship with park ranger. And I have my service class, which has all of the methods in it, which make the application run the save park ranger to the park service, the save camper, at save park service, which allows you to add the park services. And of course, save park ranger by ID, the copy camper fields, retrieve park service by ID, etc., delete park service by ID. And then we have our application.yaml file, which is currently set to create, or I'm sorry, to update, not create. And then we have our schema.sql, which has our table schema, our database schema. Okay, and then we're going to come over here to Postman, which is our client we are using to update the database. So here we have our dbeaver, and currently the parks that we have listed in dbeaver are as such. These are our park names with all of their details. We have Kenai Fjords National Park, Mammoth Cave, Glacier Bay, Black Canyon of the Gunnison, Death Valley, Grand Canyon, and Denali. And we're going to go ahead and add Olympic National Park to our park service now. Okay, that gave us a created status of Park Service ID 12, Olympic National Park. We can look at that quickly in dbeaver. We can do a refresh here and see that Olympic National Park has been added. I'd like to post a park ranger to that park now. So we'll go ahead and post Elizabeth. Looks like Elizabeth's ID is 11 and she has been posted to that park. We'll check it. And there is Elizabeth posted to Park 12, Park Ranger ID 11. And now we're going to post a camper. to that park so that we have somebody staying there and enjoying the park. Let's post Tim. It looks like Tim has been posted to that park. We'll check it. Okay, so Tim is now at Parker ID 12. This is our join table. Camper 12 has been posted to Park ID 12, which was Olympic. So let's modify his information. His name is not Tim. They got it wrong. He goes by Timothy. And I believe his ID was 12. Okay, so let's see how he has been modified. Go back up here to camper. He was Tim. Let's do a refresh. Now he is Timothy. Okay, I would like to do a get request and get, let's get all of the parks that are currently in our system. No, we don't want that. All right, so here we have retrieved a list of parks, starting with Kenai. And it gives our park ranger and our campers assigned to that park. And then we have Mammoth Cave with its park ranger and Glacier Bay, Black Canyon, Death Valley, Grand Canyon, Denali, Olympic. Okay, so those are all of our parks. And let's say that let's go to one of our parks in there. Let's take Denali. Let's get Denali's information. Let's say that Denali has decided today they're going to have an evening program, not the discovery hike. So let's update their information to say that they're having an evening program tonight. So we'll do a put request on that. And Denali's ID. Let's check their ID. Looks like Denali is Park 11. Okay, Denali's information has been updated to an evening program. And we will check it in dbeaver. We will check Denali Park, and they have been updated to an evening program. Finally, I'd like to show you how a delete request works. We can delete this. Let's just go ahead and delete Denali. And we have deletion of park service with ID 11 was successful. We can go to dbeaver and do a refresh. And Denali is no longer with us. And that's it. That's a little bit about my park service application. Thank you.